talk. Come here.
Yeah. So now.
Yes, I do.
Mkiwa ready mtuambie?
Tuko ready, I think. Mwenye atakuja kusimama anasonga hapo kwa podium. Anaongea. Na anasonga nyuma, mwingine anaongea hivyo hivyo. So whoever there is to start, atasonga mbele hapo. So we are ready.
Can you introduce yourself?
Have you eaten? Umekula?
Tutakula.
Make sure you eat. The food is so much, you can't finish.
It's okay.
Mkiwa ready mniambie?
Sawa, anza. In 3, 2, 1.
Good. I'm Moindi, and I'm speaking on behalf of the Morara Kebaso family. This is a family, and I'm speaking on his behalf. We are here to condemn what happened at Bomas of Kenya when the young man Morara was attacked before the media houses, before the glare of government officers, police, fully in uniform, armed to protect every Kenyan, before leaders of parliament, and Kebaso was literally attacked and armed, a peaceful Kenyan who had gone to participate in what we were calling a public participation. And Kebaso had gone there as another Kenyan, as a citizen, to give his views on the participation. Unfortunately, Kebaso was attacked before uniformed officers who ushered him in to the hall, assuring him in that his security was safe. And before the leaders of parliament. And unfortunately, every Kenyan, world all over, people could hear members of parliament, fathers of children, probably senior to Morara, shouting and telling the crowd their wounds to attack this young man, including a member of parliament, a woman, a mother, shouting and telling people, chapa yeye. It is unfortunate that the country, Kenya, a peaceful nation where people go to church, we say we are Christians, peaceful, loving people, saying attack him, kill him. That was quite unfortunate. Words being spoken, everybody listening. This is not a secret. Quite unfortunate. And we are here as a family to condemn one of us, to tell the world that Kebaso has a family where he comes from. He has a region. If we talk of regions, he has a region where he comes from. Kebaso is a peaceful young Kenyan who has every right to speak. We have not seen the IG issuing a press statement or the officers who are on the ground issuing a press statement condemning this. We have not seen. Kebaso was arrested the other day and arraigned in court on a cybercrime issue when something that is so private being investigated. The people who attacked Kebaso before the media, mchana, haikuwa usiku. Everybody saw them, walionekana mchana usiku. Nobody has been arrested up to now. They are being protected by their political godfathers. It is unfortunate that this country has gone to the dogs. Quite unfortunate. But we are here to tell them that the God in heaven will revenge on this harmful Kebaso without a gun, without wounds in black. The God in heaven will revenge. The Bible is clear. We carry Bibles even today. Some of those who attacked Kebaso were in church. The Bible is clear. God is asking the history of Saul and Abel and Cain and Abel. Where is your brother? He says, I don't know. I'm not my brother's keeper. But God says, the blood of your brother is calling upon me. Those who attacked Kebaso at Bomas, his blood is calling upon, God is calling upon the blood of Kebaso. God will revenge on our behalf. It is high time, and we demand the IG and his team, the director of CID, where are those people who attacked Kebaso before the media cameras were there? can we see them being arraigned in court? That is our request. Thank you, media, for coming. As you go out, pray for our country, Kenya. That is our prayer. The country has gone to the dogs, and the country is a scene of crime. It is to everybody's knowledge, not to Kebaso or foreigners. Thank you. Any question, please?
Yeah. My name is Kevin Chirep from the Daily Nation. First of all,